friends over at Sam Ash. I ordered a, well, I ordered something, so let's see what it is. All right. It's a mess of a bunch of stuff. Not really. All right, so what these are is these are guitar stands. I picked up 3 of them. On eBay, they had a sale going on at Sam Ash. 3 stands for, what was it? Oh, what was it? I can't even see. Where's the price at? Doesn't show you on the invoice, huh? I guess it doesn't. So I'll have to look back and find out what it cost me for 3 guitar stands. Unless there's another piece of paper in here, which I don't see one. So yeah, they had a sale going on. Buy 3 stands for X amount of dollars, and I jumped on it and picked it up. So that's the first unboxing. This is something that's going to be a little bit different. Something that I already have, but not this brand. And I want to try something different. I've got another computer laptop set up in the other room. And, you know, be doing recording on 2 different computers. So let's get this thing open. I don't even know if I need a... Yeah, this box is in kind of piss poor shape. Yeah, I do need a knife. Been banged around quite a bit. Now the mail has been running like really slow, especially for packages. Letters have been coming, but the mail itself for packages and shit like that has been kind of a problem lately. A lot of shit's been on hold. I finally got something that I've been waiting for about over a month. All right, here. So this is you guessed it, it is another audio interface. And this one here is probably, depending on everything on this thing, it might be for me or it might be for the other room. Not too sure yet. So let's see what comes in the box. Instructions. The actual unit itself. Wow, this thing has got some weight to it. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting that at all. It's got some decent weight to it. All right, so you got 2 headphone adjustments here. You got a main. You got, oh, this has only got 1 headphone. Oh, never mind. I got myself confused with the other one. This has got 1 headphone out. You have a main headphone, and then all your channels here. You know, got fucking everything that the other one has got. Comes with USB wire. Comes with the power, and it also comes with a line in, and line out digital. This is for MIDI, and it should have a power supply in here. Yes, it does. Nice, real nice. So why does it have this as a power supply and this as a power supply? That's kind of strange. It only has this as a power supply. Oh, maybe this is all tied into one? No, it's not. This is separate. Wow, I gained an extra power supply. Interesting. So that's it for this. Oh, I can't believe how heavy this thing is. This has got a lot of weight to it compared to the UX2. Alright, so this is unboxing or unbagging number 3. And this is something that GTV, Guitar TV, ended up making a video of a while back with a demo. I'll put the link in the description. Really great demo. So let's get this thing opened up. Aha. It is a pedal. And that gave it away. So all proceeds for this pedal here basically goes to the donation. All right, so how the fuck you open this? Oh, I see. I got it. I got it. So we got some stickers here. Got a card. Got a blood donor. And the CB. Ooh, comes in a nice little baggie. So here it is, the CB blood donor. You got phase, or you got please give your blood. Pretty cool. I like that. Which I'm sure everything has a meaning for it. Seems to be built pretty good. It's all metal construction. Feels like a normal switch to me. LED in the center over here, and yeah, so is there any instructions for this? No instructions? I didn't get no paperwork with this. What the hell? I guess I'll have to figure it out myself, or it's going to be one of those things where you have to go online to figure out what the hell it does. Download the paperwork for this thing, owner's manual, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, kind of cool. All right, so this is something that I've been waiting for a long time now. On April 30th is the delivery date that this was supposed to be delivered to my house. But unfortunately, something happened during the mail process. On April 28th, this thing came to a complete halt. And when I mean to a complete halt, there was no tracking information at all up until Saturday, last Saturday. And that makes it what? Say is what, the 20th? So it would have been the 18th. What happened, because of the current situation we are all under right now, can't really say the name of it, because I guess YouTube will, for some reason, fucking take your video down. But anyways, a lot of post offices put a halt on mail or shipping packages. I guess there was a problem at the post office, or at that post office, and they shut down for a few. And yeah, so this thing was delivered today. Today is Monday, the 20th of April. So yeah, I've never seen anybody ship anything in paper before. That's kind of, there is a box in here, but just different. So let me get into this thing, because I'm dying to see it. Other than seeing pictures of it, for it sitting for as long as it did, I'm really curious to see what's going on with it. So let's take a look at it. Oh yeah. So the guy did, in fact, do what he said. Now, I kept in touch with the seller of this, because of the fact of, it wasn't delivered, and I wanted to make sure, that everything on his side was okay. He did some follow-ups with the post office as well, and he didn't get nowhere, just like I didn't get anywhere. So he shipped the original. This is the original case, which is, as you can see, PRS SE, which is in pretty good condition. Has a sticker on the back of it, or had a sticker on the back of it, but that's in pretty good shape. So let's check out what's in the case. I have to say, this is kind of this is a nice case. All right, so this is it. Oh yeah. Oh yes, this thing is beautiful. So it is a PRS Custom. Bird inlays. No push and pull. No push and pull. Oh yeah, it does have it. Oh, okay. 3-way switch. Got the tremolo. No pocket neck joint problems. No. Still has the plastic on the back, as you can see there. PRS tuners. Built by Worldwide Music Industries Incorporated. Yeah. Oh, this neck feels nice. Frets are really, really in good shape. Let's see, did he pack anything inside of the box over here? Do I have, oh yeah, I got keys to the case. Got Mr. Whammy bar here. And I gotta put a screw in that. That looks like it's not gonna be good. Nice tweed case. Does the case actually fit the guitar? Oh yes, it does. There's plenty of room behind the headstock. No headstock problems, no nut problems. Action height at the first fret feels real nice. Action height feels really good. And it probably needs to be tuned. Pickups. Get rid of that. So there she is. My first PRS. PRS Custom.